Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 18th, and this is my recap of the top read videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So gold did make a pretty nice little push up today. I was definitely looking at the 78 and maybe even the 68% for a possible short, but we never had that engulf. We moved to the downside at a fib level, so there was definitely no short. If you were a scalper ever since it broke structure to the upside a few days ago, then you definitely could have been looking for longs. I'm not a scalper, so I wasn't really doing that. Now our structure level is right here. There's a few possibilities right here. Either this is actually a 3 and this is a 4. A wave 4 normally does break structure of the wave 3, so it might pop up, break structure, and then continue the downtrend. Or possibly this is already the end of a wave A and we're already in a wave B on the higher time frames. If it really is a wave B, then it's going to turn into a much bigger crutch and a much bigger move to the upside. So for me personally, I'm going to watch very closely to see how it reacts when it does break structure. If it rejects structure almost instantly and then does something like that, then I definitely will take it as a short, potentially for a wave 5. If it breaks and holds above structure really well, then I'll definitely start looking for longs, trading this wave B to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.